Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to explain will my progressive insurance go down? Yes, your progressive insurance can go down, but it usually happens at renewal time, not randomly during your policy. Progressive may lower your rate when your policy renews. The longer you drive safely, the better your chance. If you are using progressive snapshot, your driving habit matters a lot. Safe driving behavior like smooth braking and fewer late night trips can help lower your rate. Your rate may go down if quality for discounts such as continuous insurance, safe drive, multi-policy, auto pay or paperless billing. Some discounts apply automatically as time passes. Your insurance may drop if you drive fewer miles, you move to a safer area, your car gets older, you remove a driver from the policy. Less risk is equals to or usually means lower cost. And that's it. That's all for today's video guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.